Hotel industry has a rich and evolving history dating back thousands of years. Its origins can be traced to ancient civilizations, where inns and guest houses provided travelers with basic shelter and food. In ancient Greece and Rome, hospitality was considered a sacred duty, and accommodations were often offered in private homes or roadside taverns. During the Middle Ages, religious institutions such as monasteries offered lodging to pilgrims. As travel increased, particularly for trade and religious purposes, inns became more organized, though still rudimentary. By the 17th and 18th centuries, coaching inns emerged across Europe, especially in England, catering to stagecoach travelers and offering food, stables, and overnight stays. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century marked a turning point, with rapid urbanization and the expansion of the railway system leading to a boom in travel. This period saw the emergence of grand hotels in major cities and resort towns, such as the Savoy in London and the Ritz in Paris, offering luxury and sophisticated services. The 20th century introduced standardized hotel chains like Hilton and Marriott, revolutionizing the industry with consistent quality and international reach. The post-World War II travel boom further expanded the sector, with motels emerging to serve car travelers in the United States. In recent decades, technological advancements and changing consumer preferences have reshaped the industry. Online booking, boutique hotels, and alternative accommodations like Airbnb have diversified hospitality offerings. Today, the hotel industry continues to adapt, blending tradition with innovation to meet the needs of global travelers.